Hey guys, it's T. Welcome to another video, and today we'll be trying nail extensions or nail tips for the first time. I want you guys to comment down below, since this is our first time, how you think it looks in the end, and just rate it on a scale from 1 to 10. With that said, let's hand over to Elle.
Hi everyone. So these are the nail tips. As you can see, we'll basically do it like a puzzle. Fit the nail tips onto the fingernails the right size, then we glue it. We put the glue in the nail cutout and paste it on the nails. Here we firmly hold it to the nail until the glue bonds to the actual nail. This is how it looks when we finally glue on the nail tips. So beautiful. Now we file down the nail tips. This is the tool that we'll be using. It's not the correct tool, but it does get the job done fast, so that's why we used it. Before and after, so that's how it'd be looking. Here we started to paint a nude color. We're using gel nail polish. I was kind of going for an ombre effect. We're curing that first layer, the base color, the nude, under the lamp. I did 3 coats of the nude color and also 3 coats of the pink. You'll see as we go along. As you can see, this is the first coat. Now the second coat is being done, and remember that you'll see in the end that we also put a layer of glitter gel nail polish on her nails, and also finish it off with some top coat. Third coat. Silver glitter.